everyone, I'm Anna. Today I'm gonna do a paperback craft. Ta-da! This is what we are making. Little dog. So you can play it with, you can put your hand in and play it like a puppet. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, so this is we need all the materials, paper bag, and I choose the yellow one, construction paper. We have the pink, brown, light brown, and white, and a glue stick, scissors, and children, when you do your craft and you use scissors, please do it with your parents or adults at home. Okay, so we need yellow paper bag. See the paper bag? We use this side so you can open it like that. Not that side, okay? So, and you can, as you can see, we need a oval. We need to cut an oval shape as your dog's tummy, and a big circle, two big circles, two small black circles, and here like this, and see the beak. So we are gonna cut a shape, a big shape like that. Quack quack, and the tongue. Look. Okay. So first, oh, and 2 feet. So first we need to cut the tummy. So I'm gonna use the white paper, and I'm gonna cut it like this much, not much, not bigger than the paper bag. See, this much. So I'm gonna cut it. This is the tummy, right? And in this way, right? Yep. Just cut it, and you can cut the corner first, or you can fold it in half. Easier. Okay. Cut it. Ooh. Is it an oval? Right? So this is the tummy like that. Great. Here's the tummy. And we need 2 circles. So we are gonna make 2 circles here. So you can measure it like this big. Right? So I fold it like that. And cut it. I think that it's big. This is big enough, right? Eyes, 2 eyes. Gonna cut it in a circle shape. Oh, cool! You don't have to make it perfect circle, right? It worked, right? So, and then if you have a black, or if you don't have a black paper, you just use your marker to draw an eye. It's fine. So I'm gonna cut this small circle. Look at that. Yeah, so we don't need to make it perfect. Cool, right? And then I'm gonna make the beak. See, it look like a fruit, right? So I'm gonna use this color construction paper, and same thing. We're gonna measure it here. So I think that's enough because I'm gonna put it here, right? So I'm gonna cut it. It's gonna be this long. I'm gonna cut it in here. Right? Tummy, and then eyes. Right? So we make it look better. So we can make a shape like that. Oops. It worked, right? So just remember, make the bottom is gonna bigger than the top, right? So like triangle, but without corners. And then we need to make the bottom part, right? So we hold it like that. Let me see. And we're gonna cut it. Right? So we are gonna do this. This is the tummy. This is the pig. Right? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Almost done. Oh, we need 2 feet, right? So use 2 feet. So you fold it in half. And you gonna and another half. It's easier. Oops, I can't figure out what it. Oh, yeah. Right? Fit. Okay, so it looked like tulip flowers. Am I right? Okay, thank you. Come here. Whoa, big feet. It's bigger than this. It's okay. And then what we need, little tongue. So use the paint paper. So cut it. Let me show you this side. This side. See? Just cut. Oh, how big? Let's see. It's your tongue here. From here to there. Okay, it's long, right? And we cut it. And we just cut in triangle. And make it look better. That's it. Quack, quack. What else? Oh, we need a hair, right? Cool. Let me dump the garbage. Oh, that's easy, right, children? Eyes, beak, tummy, feet, and hair. Okay, here. We'll use this color. So I'm gonna make hair. Right? This is the hair. Yep. So, okay, just make like this. Cut. And we do just cut it like a bunch grasses. Fussy hair. You don't have to make exactly like the other one, because all the duck is unique. Just like you, right? Like that. That's it. Is it easy, children? All you need is 4 pieces of construction papers and 1 paper bag, and I choose the yellow one, and you can save these other colors to do another animal. Okay, so now everything is ready, and we glue it. I'm gonna glue the tummy first. Tummy. Tummy, tummy. So glue them sticker. Stick them together is the most fun part for children. They like to use the glue stick. So here's my tummy. And here's my foot. Here's another foot. And glue the pig. Here. So put some glue on it. One under the mouth. Another on top. Whoa! Don't forget your tongue. Quack, quack, quack. So you put it under, right? Quack. And eyes. Eyes. So put them a little bit close together so it looked cute. Woo! Here's the other eyes. Quack, quack. What else? Oh, here. Yay! Done! Oops. So, close and make everything tidy. So now we have two doggy. And that one. Quack, 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 quack. Hold on. Do you look like Prince? Quack, quack. So let's sing a song. Where's your hair? Here. Two little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only one little duck came back. One little duck went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But no little duck running back. No little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. And two little ducks came running back. Okay. And they so cute. Quack, quack. Okay, I'm gonna see you next time.